It is time for my song of the week. It's Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning. And out of all the weekends in all the weeks of the year, out of all 52, this one is for the moms.
That's right. Oh, yeah.
And
we own this weekend.
That's right. And you know what? Just because I'm not going to talk to mine doesn't mean you shouldn't talk to yours.
You're not even going to give her a text?
Come on, Jeff.
Just reply to one of her DMs on Facebook?
Yeah, maybe send her a meme or something.
Okay.
In fact, I bet there's a lot of you out there, and I guess I'm being optimistic here, who have already made plans.
Yeah.
Whether that's a little get-together or a spa day or sending her a cameo from Lance Bass.
Hey.
I mean, your heart is in the right place.
That's right.
Because you're thinking of the woman who sacrificed everything for you.
Oh, yeah.
But there are a handful of people, both children and adults, who are going to risk it all and give mom an actual physical present.
Ooh.
Hey.
Well, they should, right?
That's not what she wants.
I mean, if you've heard rumors about moms having to fake it with dad, you ain't seen nothing yet.
That's right, Jeff.
No, she is like the Meryl Streep of saying, "Oh, I love this custom cheese grater. You could use it on vegetables too, Mommy." Oh, what a thoughtful little nightmare you are. So this Sunday morning, when brunch is over and all the presents are opened and the dust is settled, truly, the Oscar should go to Mom.
Yeah.
For getting stoked about the same weird little gift she gets from her family every single year.
That's right.
And I had to sing a song about those gifts. That's why instead of doing the big hit by Ella Langley, Choosin' Texas,
I love
yeah.
this song.
it's Young Jeffrey's Pasta Necklace.
That's so good.
All right,
I'll be wearing mine Monday morning.
That's
Oh,
right.
yeah.
Point when I'm ready. Here we go. Point. Just when my mama thought that I bought her something Tiffany, I hot glued some bottle tops to a string and I called it jewelry. My drawings of her look like a Jabba the Hutt with one giant eyebrow and a cigarette butt. Got her presents every year on Mother's Day with some half-flated balloons. Instead of flowers, made a DIY bouquet out of forks and plastic spoons. Gave her rocks that I discovered by the street, 'cause she's the rock of our whole family. Eyes were burning from the smell. Big crate of Floral soaps and gels.
Wow, rosewater marshmallow-scented eucalyptus lotion. I don't even know what that means.
Well, I hope that my mama's wanting some cheap Mall Contraband. 'Cause I got her a mug that says #1 Mom in Comic Sans. Woke up to surprise her early one morning. I snuck up and opened her bedroom door and saw her wrestling daddy in an awkward way, shouting, "Get out of the room." But from the noises that I heard my mama make, she was winning, I assume. It don't take a lot to wow my mom, you see. She knows the greatest gift she got was me. Don't need Gucci or Chanel. My pasta necklace suits her well. Made her some weird clay bowls with some holes in the side and a big wooden sign that just says "Mommy loves wine." Bunch of popsicle sticks I stuck together with tape. She just smiled and didn't mind. It was Blair Witch shaped. Made her breakfast by myself and cooked her eggs with the shells inside them too. And I could tell that I messed up her fresh OJ. I forgot to add the booze. I know my handprint in cement was pretty chic, but those coupons for free hugs expire next week. Gotta rope that Temu sells. 4 sizes big, but who can tell? No, and as a gift to her, I helped her siphon gas outside of Shell. Let's drive, Mommy. Oh, yeah. Well, just like I thought, I crushed my mama's mom day jamboree.
Hey, all right, Jeff.
Hey, good job, Jeffrey.
Yay, all the moms.
I got a
Yay.
coupon once for my daughter that was just a coupon for one picture where she actually smiles.
That's a good one.
Only
Yeah.
one take, too.
Yeah,
Wow.
only one take, and I could only use it once.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm waiting still
okay.
for the
Big
perfect
day.
time.
Wedding day.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Just keep holding out. That was your Mother's Day song of the week. You could text
Yay,
in
good
to
job,
78592. Tell us what you thought about it.
It was great.
We're going to post
It
the video
was.
up on all of our socials at Brooke and Jeffrey with all the lyrics so you can send it to your mom or to
Yeah.
somebody who needs a great gift idea
Oh,
for
yeah.
their
Right.
mom.
There were good ones in there.
Skip the Gucci. We got you covered.
That's
Just
right.
go grab some seashells. It'll be fine.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody. We got your phone tap coming up right after this.